Lamb, beef, string, lonely fish. This is how we call squid.
Squid, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Name is malatang. So it's called like a mini hot pot.
This is what got my attention, these plates. I've
Yeah,
never
many
seen
people
it
they
before.
think about like a Japanese restaurant. It look like a ramen bowl,
Yeah.
but it's made by the plastic. So, but it look like also attractive the guests.
Oh.
Not like hot pot. We call malatang.
Malaga, sorry.
Malatang, yeah. So you can do your own style, mix whatever you like.
Sesame sauce, mint
Yeah, garlic, onion, soya sauce.
cilantro, chili
Yeah.
crisp sauce,
Yeah.
chili oil,
Yeah.
Sichuan pepper oil, red
Yeah.
eye chili. Wow, spicy.
Yeah. Then you can go back to here. That's all the. This is like our menu. So we don't have the menu on the paper.
So basically, people pick half kilogram of.
It depends the guest. Some guests only take maybe like 800 dinar or 1,000 dinar. No, must be the half kilo. Yeah.
And is that chocolate, mango?
This no mango. This is pumpkin. So that's the
pumpkin.
blood from the duck. This the tofu.
Black pudding. They call it black pudding.
Oh, okay.
In
You can
Italy,
call
they-
black pudding.
yeah.
Okay. This is the inside had the fish egg.
okay.
The meat it's from the can. It's including the pork. And beef meatball, dumpling inside the chicken. This fish meatball and fish tofu.
Okay.
Crab meat and the sauce stew with the pork.
Okay.
This also had the fish egg inside. This is the comb, you know, right? This is the chicken.
Chicken.
The deep fried egg, pancake, fried dough. I had the mushroom, some like a green leaf vegetable. For the noodle, we have many options from here to here.
Okay.
All the kind of the noodle.
All rice noodle or
No,
meat
no.
noodle?
Instant
Depends.
noodle, udon noodle, rice noodle. This like a beef tendon noodle. This is fern root noodle.
Yeah.
This
So-
made by the corn and potato noodle, sweet potato noodle.
So let's say that this is the only in the center of the city
Yes.
hot pot.
So we're selling per kilo, meat and vegetable all the same price. It's 1,800 dinar half kilo. After you pick out the food by yourself, chef adding the sugar for cooking.